Welcome guys, today I'm gonna unbox the Xiaomi Redmi Airdots. The Redmi Airdots is one of the latest true wireless earphone from Xiaomi. Let's see what's inside the box. Opening the box gives us the earphones. Inside this case, the housings of the earphone itself and the housing of the case are made of plastic, resulting in a remarkably lightweight. So design-wise, the Redmi Airdots look very similar to the Xiaomi Mi Airdots, but the Redmi Airdots implements the use of physical buttons instead of touch-sensitive ones. Also included in the box are this product manual, but it's in Chinese, and this silicone ear tips. The silicone ear tips are available in two sizes, so you have a pair of large ones and you have a pair of smaller ones, and the medium ones are already attached to the earphones. To charge the earphones, just put it back inside the case and it will show this red LED signifying that it's charging. The case and the earphones are magnetic, so it will not fall down, and it's covered so you can protect it from dust and minor splashes. You can charge the case using this micro USB connector. And here you will see another red LED to show that it's charging. So the case holds up to 12 hours of music time, and the earphones holds up to 4 hours. So that's a total of 16 hours of listening experience. Specs wise, the Xiaomi Redmi Airdots features a 7.2mm dynamic driver, Bluetooth connectivity, and an IPX4 waterproof rating. To pair the earphones to your mobile device, turn on the Bluetooth, then go to settings, press and hold for 3 seconds, and then it will show up in the available devices, and press, and it will pair automatically. After pairing, now you can see that the earphone is connected to your mobile device. Now you can try and listen to some music or watch some video. And you can use the button on the earphone to pause and play the music. To test the earphones, I played and listened to different test tracks to try the different frequencies the earphones are capable of. All I can say is that the sounds are really good for its price. The bass is not that deep, but listening to a predominantly deep bass music pushes the earphones to play really low frequencies. The mid and treble are crisp and very clear, as well as the vocals if you're listening to a song. So that's my unboxing and quick review of the Redmi Airdots from Xiaomi. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.